welcome back. We are continuing our discussion on calculus, where we are looking at the product rule for differentiation. So we have an example on the board. Y is equal to x squared plus 1. It is actually a product. We are multiplying x squared plus 1 and x power 3 plus 3. So this is our y, or our f of x. Now, this our f of x, as you can see, it is a product. It means we have two quantities which we are multiplying. So when a function f of x or y has a product like this, then this simply dictates which method we are supposed to use for us to differentiate. So because it is a product, therefore we are supposed to use the product rule. Now, the product rule says, if u and v are differentiable functions of x, then dy dx is equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. Now, I'm sure you are surprised by hearing u and v, which are not anywhere in the function y. So, that simply tells us that the product, the two factors that we are supposed to multiply, because this is a product, because we have two factors which we are supposed to multiply. So that makes it a product. So this product, these two factors which we are supposed to multiply, we need to let one be u and the other one be v. So that is where the u and v are coming in. We need to let one be u, the other one be v. Okay. So we have this. We say, let u be, so this would be our u, this would be our v. Let u be x squared plus 1, okay, and v, so this other one will be v, x power 3 plus 3. Okay, so this is where now the u and the v has come in. So this u and v, actually, you are supposed to let the two factors that are forming a product in f of x or y, we are supposed to let one be u, the other one be v. It doesn't matter which one you choose to be u, which one you choose to be v, as long as they are there. Okay, so we have u and v. Now, since we have u, so we need also to get du dx. It means we need to differentiate this function called u with respect to x. Okay, so let us differentiate this function u, with respect to x. Okay, so what we are going to get will be called du dx. So we are differentiating u with respect to x. So du dx. So du dx will be 2x, because we shall just drop the 2 to this one here, so that we have 2x. Then the power will reduce by 1, so that we have power 1. And this one will just give us a 0, so we just forget about it. Okay, so this is our du dx. Then our dv dx. It means we also differentiate the function v with respect to x. So that is where we are going to get dv dx. The function v with respect to x. Okay, so dv dx, you see, we shall get 3x squared. You see, we are going to drop the 3 here. We put it here on 1, so that we have 3x, and the 3, the power will reduce by 1, according to the power rule, or the formula for differentiation. Then the derivative of a constant 3 is 0. So dv dx will just be 3x squared. Then we shall have our formula now. We are told that dy dx is equal to u. Which one is u? So u is x power 2 plus 1 u dv dx. Which one is our dv dx? dv dx is 3x square plus v. Which one is our v? Our v actually is x power 3 plus 3. So x power 3 plus 3. This is our v. du dx. So which one is our du dx is 2x. Okay. So we have substituted the four quantities in the product rule. The product rule says u dv dx plus v du dx. So we need to know all those four quantities, u and v, then the derivative of v called dy dv dx, and the derivative of u called du dx. Then we substitute them in the formula as we have done. Then it's a matter now of just simplifying. It's a matter of simplifying. So dy dx, actually we need to multiply this and this so that we get this one and this one. 3x squared times x squared, we shall get 3x power 4. Okay, plus 3x squared plus 1, we shall get 3x squared. Plus, now we come here, again we distribute this here and here. 2x by x power 3, we get 2x power 4. Then 3 by 2x, we get 6x. Okay, so basically, this is what we are going to get. Multiply this one here, we get this one. This, we get this one. This, we get this one. This, we get this one. Okay, simplifying further, we have dy dx is equal to, as we can see, we have like terms here, 3x power 4 and 2x power 4. These are like terms which we can add. So let us add those like terms. So we have 3x power 4, 2x power 4, we shall get 5x power 4. Okay, plus 3x squared plus 6x. So basically, we don't have any other like terms. So our dy dx will simply be 5x power 4 plus 3x squared plus 6. So basically, this is how we differentiate using the product rule. Actually, the product rule says u dv dx plus v du dx is equal to dy dx. So we only use the product rule when the given f of x or the given y as two factors which we are multiplying, which is forming a product. So use the product rule when you are given a function which is a product. Use the product rule for a product. Okay, so basically this is on the product rule. Thank you for your attention.